When working with objects where the property name and value are the same, you can use the shorthand property name syntax. This syntax allows you to omit the property value if it is the same as the property name. So we have the same name, the same value, same name again, same value, same name, and same value. So we have to eliminate those same name and only leave the value because we already have the same. That is the use of the shorthand property name syntax, which is the use of um, it's for more concise and more readable code. And we have here our um, already solved steps. I've only just inputted or written the position with the keyword this to refer to this position, which is an object and with an object with x and y coordinates. So that would be it. Nice.